Hello, welcome to the Practical C# video series. I'm Andrea Angella, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the auto properties in C#. I have a console application in Visual Studio, and let's have a look at the code. I have a class result that contains three private read-only fields, name, description, and score, and three properties with only the getters that returns those values. Then I have a constructor that sets default values for these fields, and then I have another constructor that takes the fields in name, description, and score, and that toScreen method. And then I have a program that simply print the result, two result instances. Let me run the program and have a look. You can see that is what's the output of the application. So now I'm going to show you how you can use the auto properties feature that has been added in C#6 to make this code more compact without changing the behavior. What we can do here is that instead of doing this, we can simply do open curly braces get and get rid entirely of the private read-only field. And here I can use the capital N to access to the field, and I don't need this. So what I actually done is exactly the same thing, but is the C# compilers automatically generate the private read-only backing field behind the covers. Now let's do the same for the other two properties. I have ReSharper installed. I can do that very easily. Alt-Enter to auto property. I can do the same for the score. Alt-Enter to auto properties. And I can move this together, and I don't need this anymore. So now I've got rid of a lot of boilerplate code, and I can do even more. I can assign the default value directly here if I want. Let me copy that in here. I can do the same here, default description, and I can do that here as well. Despite 0 is default, I don't really need that. And I can get rid of this initialization code. So now, this is basically the power of the read-only auto properties in C#. You can define them in a very simple way, and the compiler does all the work with you. And to prove that it's impossible for you to actually set those values, let me create a void method, and let me try to set, for example, name from here. You try to set the name here, you get a compiler error. You are not allowed to actually assign any value to that because it's read-only. So we have basically created the same as that code, but in a nice, more concise way. And this is it. Thank you very much for watching. If you're interested in C# and .NET, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.